In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Buy Me a Coffee in 2026. Complete Beginner's Guide. To get started, head over to the Buy Me a Coffee website and create your free account. The platform is designed for creators, freelancers, artists, and anyone who wants a simple way to accept support online, so the setup process is fairly beginner-friendly. When you sign up, you can use your email address or choose one of the available sign-in options like Google or Apple, depending on what's offered in your region. Once your account is created, the next step is to choose a unique username. This is important because it becomes part of your public creator page link, so try to pick something clean, memorable, and consistent with your brand or social media handles if possible. After that, start customizing your page so it feels personal and professional. Add a profile photo, a banner image, a short bio, and any social media links you want visitors to see. This helps people understand who you are and why they might want to support you. Next, connect your payout method. This could be a supported bank account or another available payment provider, depending on where you live and what Buy Me a Coffee supports at the time. You may also need to complete identity verification, which is a normal part of setting up payouts on creator platforms. Make sure this information is accurate so you can receive payments without delays. After that, set your support price, which is basically the cost of one coffee. You may also be able to choose your preferred currency. Keep your pricing simple and approachable, especially if you're just getting started. You want it to feel easy for supporters to contribute. If you want to offer more than basic support, you can also add extras, memberships, or digital products. This is useful if you'd like to give your audience additional ways to connect with your work or support you at different levels. Once your page is ready, copy your Buy Me a Coffee link and start sharing it anywhere your audience already follows you. That could be your YouTube channel, website, newsletter, or social media profiles. The easier it is to find, the more likely people are to use it. When someone supports you, you'll receive a notification, and eligible earnings will be sent to your connected payout account based on Buy Me a Coffee's payout schedule. Finally, keep your page active by posting updates, exclusive content, or simple thank you messages. Regular activity helps supporters feel appreciated and can encourage ongoing contributions over time.